In the heart of Zurich, Switzerland, a banking giant is on life support. Credit Suisse, one of the world's most prestigious banks, has just received a $50 billion lifeline. But what does this mean for the future of global finance? The Swiss National Bank has stepped in to prevent a catastrophic collapse, but this bailout comes with strings attached. The bank will have to drastically cut costs, sell off assets, and possibly even merge with a rival. CEO Ulrich Körner has promised to restore the bank to its former glory, but the road ahead will be tough. Credit Suisse has been plagued by scandals, mismanagement, and a toxic culture that has driven away clients and employees. The bank's stock price has plummeted by over 30% in the past year, wiping out billions of dollars in shareholder value. This has left investors nervous and wondering if the bank can ever regain its footing. At the heart of the problem is Switzerland's notorious banking secrecy. For decades, Credit Suisse has been accused of helping wealthy clients evade taxes and launder money. But with the bank's reputation in tatters, can it ever regain the trust of its clients? The bailout is not just about saving the bank, it's also about saving the 40,000 jobs that hang in the balance. But with the bank's future uncertain, employees are left wondering if they will still have a job in a year's time. The Credit Suisse crisis is not just a Swiss problem, it's a global one. The bank has operations in over 50 countries, and its collapse could have far-reaching consequences for the entire financial system. Regulators are on high alert, worried about the systemic risk that Credit Suisse poses to the global economy. If the bank were to fail, it could trigger a domino effect, bringing down other banks and financial institutions with it. Swiss National Bank President Thomas Jordan has promised to do everything in his power to prevent a collapse, but the situation remains precarious. The bank's fate hangs in the balance, and the world is watching with bated breath. The question on everyone's mind is Credit Suisse too big to fail? The answer is unclear, but one thing is certain. The consequences of its collapse would be catastrophic. As the sun sets over Zurich, the future of Credit Suisse remains uncertain. Will the bank be able to recover, or will it become the latest casualty of the global banking crisis? Only time will tell.